How to fix security threat detected on Roblox. Okay, let's see and solve with clarity. At first, go to your cell phone settings, scroll down, tap on developer options, and now turn off developer options. Go back to home screen. Now restart your phone. Okay, after restart your phone, go to your Play Store, tap on search bar, search for Roblox. If it's not updated already, then update it fast. After that, click on open. Scroll down little bit. Click on any games. Just wait. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. That's it. If you like the video, subscribe and stay with us. Thank you.